let me demonstrate basic operation with EcoCam. We can import some file from DXF, SVG, or trace an image, but for this video we're gonna open pre-existing job that he has saved into JB format, which is a native format for this program. Okay, my machine is set in inches, so I will choose some inches file. You can use inches or millimeters, and you can switch anytime, you know. Okay, I'll open one file and see what's happened. Here is I can use this pointer and move part around, or I can select and then move by using these arrows. So I can set step like 2 inches and then move down, or let's say 0.2 inches. Also, I can use control and arrow key on my keyboard, so for more precise moving, or shift and keyboard to move part around. I can use page up and page down to rotate for certain angle, but if I want to speed it up, I use control or shift button. I can always undo everything, and it goes up to 20 undos. Okay, I'll delete this and I'll reopen this file. Okay, I'll find it inches BBB. Okay, so I said I can move this, but I can array this part like to make a grid 3x2 for everything. I'll undo this. I'll select all, or deselect all, or delete selected, like select all, delete selected, but I'll undo this. I don't want to delete it now, we need it. So I'll make some more files, some copies of this. Then I can select this and say delete, this and say delete, and then before a big green rectangle on the screen represent a table, and small represent material size. To begin nesting, I have to move everything out of table, so program knows those part has to be nested. If I zoom it out, you'll see it. Okay, I'll zoom it to table, turn path on, so you can see parts, but you don't need to do that. I can do it, but I don't have to. And then I start nesting one by one part, let's say first, second, third, and keep pressing this button until I see that it's finished 100%. It goes fast and it's done. So what I have to do now is to adjust cutting order. I don't need to adjust the part inside the reordering, because the program has already calculated optimal part. But because I move those parts now, I have to reorder parts automatic. You see. Now it find optimal way. I can turn path inside and see whole way. Yeah, that's it. So now I had cut. How I can generate G-code, I'll show you here. I can make lead in like arc, or lead out arc, or I'll keep lead out like line, or I can cancel it. Here is offset and piercing distance. But if I want to be more precise, I can choose material and my plasma unit. So my plasma unit is 60 amperes steel, and I choose 0.25 inch thickness. So it will calculate offset for that kind of material, and then I press generate. This is G-code. You can preview it here, but you can save it and cut. But I'm not cutting this, so I don't need to save. So if I close this and go here to go into G mode on, I can preview everything one by one. Like if I zoom here now, you will see, and then I can use a keyboard arrow to simulate all cut in G-code. Sorry. If I go here and zoom, you will see that lead in is arc and lead out is line. That's what we selected when we generated G-code. Okay, that's it for this. And then I will open the other job like in inches and play a little bit more with this sorter. Like I'll choose this. You can preview files here. This is a little bit ugly. In new version it will be better solved, but for now it's good. You can see what is inside. When you click here, you see this is shape. It's easier to figure out what is inside file. Let's say I will delete this. I can move, I can do this, I can select all, move to origin, and I can cut this. Now I can do undo or redo or whatever. So that's it for this movie. I'll close it. I don't